In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to properly clean the Zebra ZXP Series 7 printer using the official cleaning kit. Regular maintenance like this helps improve print quality and extends the life of your printer. Stay with us until the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Alright friends, let's get started. First, press the menu button on your printer. Then go to Advanced Settings and open it. Now, open the fourth option on the list, Clean Printer. Next, select the Clean Card Path option and press OK. Now, remove the printer ribbon carefully. Then press the next button to continue. Now, insert the long cleaning card into the printer. Then tap the Clean button to start the process. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Now flip the cleaning card, put it back into the printer, and press the Clean button again. This process may take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. After the cleaning is complete, remove the cleaning card. You'll see that it has collected a lot of dust and debris. Now place the ribbon back into the printer and press the next button to continue. Now, exit the menu and wait a moment for the printer to get ready. Alright, now let's clean the printer feeder as well. It's very simple. Press the menu button, go to Advanced and then open the Clean Printer option. Now select the second option, Clean Feeder, and open it. Now, remove all the cards from the feeder, then press the next button to continue. Now, insert the cleaning card into the card feeder and lock it in place. Now, press Next, then tap Clean to start the feeder cleaning process. Feeder cleaning will take about 1 to 2 minutes, so please wait patiently. Now, remove the cleaning card, flip it to the other side, insert it again, and press the clean button one more time. And that's it. The feeder is now clean. In this video, we used a used cleaning card for demonstration. But for best results, it's always better to use a new cleaning card. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.